Guys, happy new year. It's the new year 2026, and from today we are going to start on the daily lead code challenge problem. And this is the first problem. As you can see in the problem section, you can access the daily lead code question, and this is the best way to keep practicing your data structures and algorithm skills. So let's start with the first question. Okay, so this is the first question, plus one. Let's read this first, and I'll code it live with you guys. So you are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits. So array is represented as a digits, and each digits of I is the ith digits of integer. Okay, the digits are ordered from most significant bit to least significant in the left to right. For example, 1 to 3 is represented as 1 2 3. Cool. The digits are ordered, and the okay, it's done. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. What does this mean is it doesn't contain any leading zeros here. Okay, now the ask is we have to increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. Okay, so basically this question is like a big number is split across a vector or a list, and we have to just add 1 to it and return the output array in the same format. Okay, and let's try to check the constants as well. The total number of digits length is around 100. Okay, cool. So after reading at the first problem, the logic that is coming to my mind is we need to simply add 1, right? So it's a list, we can iterate over this list, and we have been asked to add 1 to this. So how does the maths work, right? So this is, if this is 1 2 3, and if I want to add 1 to 3, 3 plus 1 would be 4. There would be no carry, so 2 and 3 remains as it is. The output will become 1 2 4. Cool. Now the problem happens when this is like maximum number. For example, 99. So if we are planning to add 99 to this, what would be the answer? 9 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1, and 9 plus another 1, it's again 0, carry is another 1, and it gets appended here. So as you can see, the initial size was 2, and after adding 1, the size changed from 2 to 3. Okay, so this is the special case that we need to take care of. Let's start with the approach. So we have been given this digits. Let me first calculate the size. Digits. Okay, and now I want to start iterating from the last index. For int I equal to n minus 1, I greater than equals to 0, I minus minus. Now initially I need two variables. See, I am writing in a way it's very intuitive. So what I want is this element can be accessed with ARR of I, and I want to add 1. So there would be some result and some carry. So I need two numbers. One is result initial assigned to 0, and another is carry initial again assigned to 0. Now what I will do is I will update the result. Now what would be my result? So result would be the digits of I plus carry. Initially carry is assigned to 0, but later on if there any carry exists, it can be substituted. Okay, now if so another thing, whenever we are adding 2, what is the case when their carry would be present? It's when the result is more than or equals to 10. Okay, that time only one carry can be present. So I can add a condition: if result is greater than equals to 10, my result is equals to 0 and carry is equals to 1. Okay, is this clear? Cool. Else my result would only get updated if it's greater than equals to 10. Otherwise, in all the cases, what I want to do is I would simply want to replace the ith position with the result. Okay, cool. Now if this is the case, yeah, if in the other case we don't need to update any carry. Okay, also whenever the once the carry is updated and if there is else condition, I would want carry to be 0. Okay, that way I don't append it again. And at the end, once this for loop is finished, now for this 99 case I added 1, and after the loop is finished I will check if carry exists. If carry is greater than 0, at that point what I want to do, I want to insert the carry in front. So it would be like okay, I think it should be insert, right? It should be insert it should be carry and the location and 0, not 0, it should be 1. Okay, I only want to append in the beginning if my carry is greater than 0 at the end. Okay, else return digits. Okay, cool. Let's try and run this. Oops, 1 2 3. This is result I plus carry. Oh, okay, initially I want what we can do is I can assign 1 to the carry. It means I actually want to append, right? So that way it can be done. Cool. Yeah, sample are passing. Let's try to submit and check for hidden test cases. Hey, yes, so it's the completion streak, it's accepted, and it's in the fastest way possible. So what would be the time and space complexity for this? So time complexity would be O of n, where n is the total length of the digits, and it's mentioned that it's 100, so it's basically O of n, that's constant. And similarly for space, we are not utilizing any extra space apart from the adding one extra for carry. So yeah, that's it. So time and space are both of 1, of n for time, of 1. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.